Alright, so welcome back. This video is going to be how to make things glow, not counting my brow or my cheeks because I had to turn the fan off in here because it's so hot, but obviously sound issues. Anyway, so I want to show you how to make things glow. You can really bring life and make things really beautiful. Like you can make your artwork really beautiful and make it very moody and things like that if you just know how to make things glow. It's really simple. I'm going to keep it really simple. I'm going to show you in just a few steps how to make something glow, and it all starts with a dark background. That's like the key. If you want to have something glow, then you definitely want to have a darker background. It just makes everything easier. But I'll go over it in the video. Be sure to check that out. Of course, check out my YouTube and my Instagram. Like and subscribe. Show me some love. Alright, hashtag summer school. I wasn't supposed to do it.